What's good? What it do, though? This is me versus me, Lonnie P. What it do, baby cakes? Okay, I came on here to do a Virgo read, as you all know. No, we ain't doing that, Virgos. It ain't y'all season yet, unless you want to cuss some Leo. Shout out to you. Happy boss day to you too. Okay, but it ain't y'all read yet, so we gonna see what it do. Okay, so I got a 5-card spread for Virgo. Okay, we got the Judgment, Prince of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Princess of Swords. Then we have the Magician card, the Princess of Wands, the 5 of Swords, the Star card, the Hermit, and King of motherfucking Pentacles, Virgo. God damn it. I'm feeling good, y'all. Okay, I'm feeling real fucking good. But we're gonna get into this, Virgo. Okay, the first card we got is the Judgment card. Okay, it talks about a choice needing to be made, a life-altering decision. Okay, removal of things that no longer serve you, and a better life is right here waiting for you to take the reins. Okay, period. Prince of Cups. Okay, it's a Knight of Page. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag. That's what I'm getting off of it. Okay, it's the bringer of message, good news, invites out to events, social events, information, unexpected, inspiration, inner childlike energy, spiritual journey. Okay, something big is gonna happen, Virgo. And guess what? For the high vibrational Virgos that's been doing the work, okay, that's been on their journey and healing on a daily basis, that's been healing their childhood issues and whatever issues they had, oh baby, something big gonna come. And I feel it. I feel the energy shift. We got Ace of Pentacles. It talks about new beginnings. What I just say. It's about the strength, the self-reliance. Okay, it's about the awakening, the personal identity of finding yourself. Okay, your spiritual powers, captivating your feminine energy for positive or negativity. Okay, so what you doing, child, is transmuting them energies, okay, into whatever you want it to be, okay, period, in your big bag, period. Princess of Swords, okay, this is the most mysterious card in the deck, okay, it talks about elusiveness, provocative, you cutting through the BS, you recognizing the real from the fake, and cutting them snakes' heads off. Period. Represents a Virgo card. It talks about your wisdom. Okay. Then you got the Magician card. The Magician card represents Gemini. Gemini, Jimmies, they just mercurial, just like Virgos. Tastes good. So it's don't be deceived, okay? It's a showman, mysterious magician who has capabilities. It reminds us that we can be deceived, okay? We can be deceived, whether it's a mind matter or a person matter, okay? But I'm gonna get into that Magician card. Just hold on. Princess of Wands. Okay, it's talking about having childlike energy, being grounded, fiery, angry. So, Virgo, somebody angry? The Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What you mad for? Damn Aries, damn Leo, damn Sag. The fuck? You can't get your way all the time, especially not with no Virgo. Let me take you to school, child. Okay? You need to pursue your talents and your goals. Okay? Don't compromise. Okay? Then we have the 5 of Swords. Talks about wisdom and empathy and conflict, drama, battle, minor disagreements, change, tension. It's competition. Virgo loves a good competition, even though she don't compete where she don't compare. But she definitely be up for the challenge. Period. The star card. Okay. We got Aquarius in the building. Aquarius, you got some mess to start? Or is it the Aries, Leo, Sag? Y'all want to start some shit with a Virgo? Bad move. So the star cards talks about inspiration, renewed hope. Okay? It talks about your power, your willpower going forth. You are truly blessed in abundance. You're entering a peaceful love phase of life. Okay? The strength you have is to carry you on. I don't know why I'm getting all mumble jumbled in my words, but it's the strength that's gonna carry you, lead you to victory, baby. Ooh, I just got that Meek Mill song. The label won't fire me because I'm too valuable. Meek Mill. Shout out to you, boo. Baby daddy status. Just saying. Then we got the Virgo card coming out, the Hermit, baby. Yeah, you see that man? Spirit leads us, okay? He is the light to our feet when we on our journey, okay? It talks about solitary, which Virgo loves to be confined in their own comfort, their own thoughts, okay? They more powerful when they're in solitude, okay? It talks about solitary nature of the traveler that walks alone, using a lamp to his feet. He's using his intuition and God-given guidance to lead him on his new journey. Okay, he's steadfast and encouraged, using his determination on his journey. Virgo popping up in they own read again. King of motherfucking Pentacles, baby. Big bag. You're King of Pentacles talk about high ambition, the materialistic world, satisfaction, worldly success. King of Pentacles is sophisticated, regal in its decision making, financially abundant, and financially intelligent. Child, listen. Listen, child. Listen, Linda. Okay? Listen, Linda. You headed on a new journey, okay? Can't no man stop it. What God put out, can't no man stop or let him be brung under. You hear me? They done tried everything they could in a book to take you out, to kill you, to steal your joy, steal your peace, but they can't take it because they didn't give it. Know that. Big bag. You can't take it. Can't take something that you didn't give. Are you serious? There's news coming in from this Aries, Leos, or Sagittarius. It talks about them wanting to invite you out to a social event, okay? Give you unexpected information, give you inspiration. It's gonna have you feeling good as a motherfucker, Virgo, okay? You deserve it because you didn't put in that hard work, that effort, and while everybody looking in on the inside, you really doing the motherfucking work. You really motherfucker putting your foot down on the gas, putting your foot down on their necks, okay? You ain't letting nothing or no one stop you. This will help bring forth a bigger and broader spiritual journey for you. So you might be going through an initiation. It is the full moon, so you need to get out there and manifest. Talks about the new beginnings, you having the strength and courage and the self-reliance to keep going. to keep going. Okay, you have an awakening, and that goes with the initiation. Excuse me. You finding yourself. You using your spiritual powers, your special powers. You captivating the feminine energy. Okay, you standing in your energy. Whether it's positive or negative. Okay. You cutting through what no longer serves you. All the fake people, the betrayers, the enemies, you leaving them behind. That door is closed. There is no more room for them. Don't go back, Virgo. Do not go back, because I know how we is. They're going to be the same as they was when they was with you. Period. Use your discernment. Use your discernment. That's what I just heard. We got the Magician card. Don't be deceived by these snakes. They can come in here charming. Oh, baby this and oh, baby that. Tell you what you want to hear. You, listen, let me tell you something. Let me light the sage. I don't know. Let me tell you something, though. Don't come to me talking about baby this, baby that. I don't want to hear none of that shit. I really don't. You can sit here and think you're going to play games and lie and try to manipulate, whether it's soft or hard manipulation. Baby, let me tell you something. You're going to get your throat cut. And I ain't talking about physically. But you're gonna be finding the nearest exit. That's what you're going to have. That's what's going to happen. So if you ain't coming being authentic and transparent with yourself first, and then with me, don't even come. I'm not waiting for you. I've been out enjoying myself. Enjoying myself. If you thought I was waiting for you, you a motherfucking fool. You're a fool. You are a fool. Playtime done. Get you out of that, boy. Playtime done. Right now, you in childlike energy. Yeah. You grounded. Okay. Seems like some fiery energy coming towards you. Whether that be Aquarius, Leo, Aries, or Sag. Okay. Use your discernment first. Don't compromise yourself for nobody else shenanigans. Period. Don't compromise yourself for nobody. Save yourself first, Virgo. Period. Period. No, they don't get another try. They don't get another try. And if it's that deep for you, Virgo, go to God. And God gonna tell you. You pray about it first. Send it up to the ethers. And wait. Listen for him to tell you what this person is. Don't make a move on impulse for nobody. But you could be the magician energy. Great manifestor are we, Virgo? Great manifestor are we? Are you manifesting in anything that your heart's desire? Because I know I am. Because I know I am. What you waiting on, Virgo? They're trying to bring in conflict, Virgo. They want to battle you. They want you to be in a minor disagreement so they can try to mess with your energy, try to, alter your energy from being high vibrational and coming down to their low vibrational energies. Don't do it. Don't do it. Put on a motherfucking smile. Smile, bitch. Put on a motherfucking smile, Virgo, and walk the fuck away. Cause you, bitch, you ain't killing my vibe. You ain't stealing my vibe. Fuck you thought. You low vibrational. Why should I entertain any peasants? Any peons? I ain't getting off my throne for nobody. And you ain't gonna take it from me. Period. The card of the star card, which is Aquarius. Now, it might be a good thing. But if they on some low vibrational shit, you cut that shit off right then and there. Don't even entertain it. Don't even let them temperature check you. Because they will try to do it. Whether it's a man or female. Okay, Virgo? But if it's a good thing, they're going to bring in some inspiration for you. Okay? Renew the hope and faith that you had. Okay? Bring it forth. Their power. Notice, Virgo, at the end of the day, you are blessed. You are abundant. You are prosperous. Okay? Period. And because of your hard work and dedication, because of your obedience, because of your healing, because you walked the way, okay? This is what you get, okay? This is what you get, okay? You deserve it. And if you got to tell yourself that every day, I deserve this. Because I worked hard for it. And I know I put in the work. I deserve everything the Lord has for me. And more. Period. And you ain't gonna stop it, devil. Got my foot right on your neck. It's gonna be a new love phase in your life. You ready for love, Virgo? That makes me smile. It makes my heart smile because I think I am ready for love. Being celibate for 3 years and having that type of discipline, child, you be like, you know what, Abba? I'm ready. I'm ready for the day. The vitamin D to get me right, child. But ultimately, we ready for true love. Are you ready, Virgo, for true love? Because I know I am. And I'm excited about my future. I am. And you should get excited too. Okay? God is going to give you the strength, Virgo, to carry on. He's going to give you the strength to carry on in this journey, this new beginning that you're getting. Because a lot of people tried to stop you, Virgo. They tried to throw everything in there, tried to get you locked up, tried to steal your money, tried to take from you. They didn't want you in the house. They wanted you homeless. They wanted to harm your children. They wanted to do everything under the sun but give to you. And you, Virgos, are very sweet and kind-hearted people. And if you fuck over a Virgo, baby, let me tell you, you finna have a shit storm. Because Virgo will give you a chance after chance after chance, child. And you still chose to fuck over a Virgo? You a fool. When you get a Virgo, baby, you winning. You winning. Like, for real. They are dedicated hard workers. And they are of service. And they sometimes put people before them. But when you have been through what I've been through, it's about me now. It's about my selfish love, okay? You won't go before me. You won't be put before me. It's about me now, okay? And I'm going to reap all the benefits that the Lord has for me, okay? And there's nothing you can do about it. Virgo pops out in her read, okay? Sometimes it takes for you to walk alone, for you to pick up your spiritual team, for you to pick up them supporting, loving, caring friends that you never had before. Because all the people that you thought was your friends and your family, they betrayed you in the worst fucking way. In the worst way. Okay? And sometimes there's a season for us to walk alone. We got to take this step by ourselves. Ask God to give you the strength to walk out on faith. Okay? It's okay to start that business, that LLC. It's okay to be self-employed. It's okay to be an entrepreneur. It's okay to go get that job. It's okay to start that new project. It's okay for that new home. It's okay to take that big leap of faith and change states. It's okay. And I'm encouraging myself now as I speak to the collective Virgo. It's okay. You don't need nobody's permission to live your life. Okay? Oh, become emotional. You don't need nobody's permission to live your life how you want it. You are the greatest author of your story. So make it a good one. And we coming out again, Virgo. Because I got so emotional because sometimes we do have to encourage ourselves. Sometimes we don't have mom and daddy there, or our sister and brothers, or family and friends there to encourage us. And we've been through a whole shitstorm. And we still going. We keeping up the faith. He said, have faith of a mustard seed. A mustard seed is very small. And you don't need nobody's permission to be great because it's already in you. Everything you touch, Virgo, will turn it to gold. But you gotta believe in yourself and know that this is your destiny, baby. Because I hear destiny calling my name every day. Every day he brings life into me. Destiny is calling my name, and that gives me strength to keep going. I'm not going to lay down and die for you. I'm not going to be your sacrifice. Sorry. Not sorry. We going straight to the top because we know what the bottom feels like. King of Pentacles is your destiny. You gonna answer the call for your destiny? Because I am. I know how it feels to go without. Okay? Oh my God. And I'm not gonna say sorry to my collective because sometimes we need the purge. It's cleansing for our soul. But destiny is calling you, Virgo. You gonna answer the call. Can't nobody do it for you. Material gain, whether it be car, clothes, money, home, ownership of a new home, of a new car. Talks about worldly success. Because of your regalness, because of your ambition, this has bought you your material success. You are here. You was 9 of Pentacles standing alone, putting the pound game down. Putting the pound game. Listen, when I look back on my life, I am not who I used to be. I am not where I used to be. I may not have it all, but I'm grateful. I'm very grateful for the deliverance, for the shedding of the old wineskin. I'm very grateful at all the progress I have made on my own. So no man, you hear me? Look at me. Look, okay? Look at me. No man could never say it's because of them that I am successful, because you've done nothing for me but caused me hell and hot water. Hell and hot water. I've never been married before, but for the last 3 months I've been saying I'm getting married. Ain't courting nobody, ain't dating nobody, and my children looking at me like, Mom, what you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? I said, I'm finna get married. I don't know who I'm finna get married to, child. I don't know what day it's gonna be, but I'm finna get married. I saw it already. I'm finna get married, and my wedding is not gonna be a traditional wedding. No, ma'am. No white dress for me. It's gonna be whatever color I want it to be. No traditional wedding for me. But I know in these seasons that I have came from and where I am now, I choose to live my life accordingly to Abba's will, to what he would have for me. Okay? Not what men want. I'm not interested in it. And this is why you got financial abundance. Financial abundance. Ow. Ow. Listen, Virgo. You got this. I'm gonna coach you through it. You got this. It's right here. Ain't no giving up. Trust and believe. I have to tell myself this every day. You are here. This is what the fuck we've been waiting on. And I was thinking to myself yesterday, like, Lord, it's been so long, you know? This journey has been so long, to the point where I don't even know if I'm gonna be happy. Or, you know, be like, you know, oh my God, I finally made it. Hell no, I'm gonna hit the floor and get the praying. Get the thanking Abba, thank you Jesus, it finally came. Don't know what it is, but I'm grateful. But I'm grateful. Virgo, be grateful. It's been a long journey. Get excited for your future. It's here. Now, I ain't talking about weeks down the line. No. I ain't talking about next month. It's here. It's coming any day now. It's here. Be proud of yourself. You came a long way. Virgo. You listening? Be proud of yourself, G. You earned it. You deserve it. And all your hard work was not in vain. It wasn't in vain, G. Stop soaking in your fucking feelings, okay? The past is behind you. Oh my God. I'm just excited. I really am. I'm excited about my future because I know I put in a hard work and effort to get where I am today. And I wouldn't change not one thing, because everything that I've been through have paved me to be where I am today. It made me the woman I am today. It made me the mother I am today. It made me the teacher I am today. It made me the best lover I am today, child. Okay? So I wouldn't trade my journey for nobody. Okay? The best thing for you to do is look at what's on your plate. Don't worry or be concerned about what's on somebody else's plate. That's how you miss out on your blessings. And guess what? I don't care what issue, what situation comes at me. I ain't missing my blessings for your raggedy ass, or your bald head ass daughter, or your nappy head ass son. You heard me? Ain't happening. I work too hard for it. And you ain't devil. You a liar and you ain't gonna steal it away. And whatever the issue is, this too shall pass, and no weapon formed against me shall prosper. And I cast and bind you down to the pits of hell where you belong. The devil be mad, Virgo. The devil be pissed when he see God breathing life into us. Cause I don't know what's in your 12 birth chart, okay? But I know I got a hell of a fucking impeccable birth chart, excuse my French. Okay? And I know when God breathed life into me, the devil be like, this bitch woke again. Shit, let me go hide. I irritate they motherfucking demons. I promise I do. And I do not care because I'm going to wake that ass up. Yeah, you going to get this work, okay? I'm going to school your ass, okay? You going to get this motherfucking work, whether you like it or not. Don't come fuck with me if you don't want to wake the fuck up. Don't come fuck with me if you don't want to live right. Don't come fuck with me if you don't want to do right. Okay? Virgo, gang, 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 gang. Yeah. Mastery, self-mastery, 33 degrees, child. 33 degrees, child. Self-mastery. We irritate them. I don't care. Look, it came out again, the food card. Talks about a new journey. Okay, a new home, a new job, change, renewal, movement, fresh start, transformation by the end of this journey. You can't make this shit up. It's coming, Virgo. Look at me. It's coming. It's here. Enjoy it. You deserve it, dude. Let me get up out of here. I got shit to do. Y'all wasting my damn time, Virgo. Damn. But Virgo be having some intoxicating ass love to the point where we don't want to leave their energy. Ain't that right? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ain't that right? Y'all don't never want to leave Virgo energy because that shit is potent as fuck. And y'all love it. Y'all can't help it. That's okay. We lovable people. We got intoxicating love that'll cover you all over from the crown of your head to your sole of your feet. Okay, child? Thank you. Thank you. So let me get up out of here. I do got business to tend to, Virgo. Trying to take all my time up. But yeah, I love y'all. Y'all take care of yourself. Stay encouraged. Hit me up if you need to talk. But just know I ain't gonna let you play on my damn energy, okay? Because you'll get cut the fuck off, blocked, deleted, okay? Block game on fleek, okay? Donate to the channel at Cash App, Humble Favor, HUMBLEFAVOR. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe with your friends, okay? Check me out on Instagram, Astria_1star, Astria _1star, and I'm out of here, baby. Y'all be good out there, Virgos. Don't let nobody take y'all out y'all character, because they ain't got no power over here, child. Peace.